Hey guys, it's Candy and I am back with another video. Yes, I have some hair from YGWigs and I'm super duper excited. Why? Because I've never tried this curl pattern before. As popular as it may be, believe you me, I've never done wet and wavy before. Yes, so I have 5 bundles of their 18-inch wet and wavy hair. I'm going to be using this to do some miracle knots. So let's get installing. This is how the hair looks straight out of the pack. My initial reaction, super soft, and each strand does look, as the name suggests, wavy, and it has that thread connection in the middle for easy installation. All right, so let's section the hair off. I already did the back section, so I'm showing you guys the front so that you guys can get a better vantage point. So I'm separating my hair into 3 for braiding. Then I'm placing 1 strand of the hair in between and literally start plaiting or braiding my hair with the thread portion of the crochet hair in between. Once the thread is fully braided into my hair, I pin off that next piece of hair and continue braiding for another ½ inch or so before adding the second piece, which I'm adding right now. Again, I'm only braiding in the thread portion, and this is what will make the hair look so nice and seamless, because you literally will not be able to see those invisible threads that are connecting the middle part of the hair. All right, so once I have like an inch remaining at the end, I'm going to add my last piece. So for the front section, each of these braids have 3 pieces of the crochet hair, and that will give you a nice full volume. Guys, again about the hair, I did use 5 packs. Yes, they sent 5. I used all 5, which is about 250 strands. So we did go big or go home today. All right, so this is the progress thus far. Looking nice, looking very sleek. All right, but again, for up close and personal, I'm setting a piece of the hair in between those 3 strands, starting to braid, and I'm braiding until all of the thread is braided in, which again is about an inch. Pin off that second piece, continue braiding, adding the second strand, pin that off, pin the second piece off, and then you're going to just continue braiding until you're almost at the end. Then you add your last piece and braid that. So guys, again, the hair we're working with is wet and wavy. Yes, from YGWigs. This is the 18-inch length. The color is natural black. It is 100% human Brazilian Remy hair, which explains how soft and lightweight the hair is. So this is how the texture is looking thus far without adding any type of product. So this is straight out of the pack type of texture. And guys, I am on literally the last braid, and it's the same process. So just for reinforcement, I am showing you guys again. But guys, can I tell you a little bit about why I love the hair? First of all, let's talk about the quality of the hair. The fact that the hair is double drawn, meaning the hair is as thick from the root as it is at the tips. So that will give you the nice fullness and that natural look that the hair does have. And the hair is easy to install. I love the thread in the middle, and it definitely is reusable and washable. This is how it is looking so far, and you could wear it as is, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can transform the look of the hair by just adding some water. And I make sure to wet it down nicely, and you can see the difference between that very loose texture and the more curly defined texture. I was literally blown away as to how curly the hair became. I believe that it would have been just a little bit more wavy, but it did get super duper curly. I was able to brush through the hair with no shedding, and guys, it was so tangle free. This is a comparison. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the curlier look or the wavier look. Again, just for up close and personal, this is how the curls look once you wet it down. And again, this is how the other side looks, straight out of the pack. Yeah. All right, guys. So after I wet down both sides, this is how the style turned out. And of course, the hair is still wet, and so it has, not gotten the full volume yet. But stay tuned. I will show you right now. So after it has dried down, you can see how much nicer and fluffier it turned out, guys. I know I probably sound like a broken record telling you how much I love some of these hairs that I have tried, but I can tell you for sure, without the shadow of a doubt, that this is high on my list of favorites. The nice, natural looking curl pattern, the softness, the perfect density of the hair. This one is definitely vacation ready. I'm getting ready to actually take a quick trip, and so this will be perfect because yes, as you can see me toying with some ideas for styling, it definitely is versatile, and that is one thing that you want when you're out on vacation, just to be able to style your hair in different looks without having to worry about excessive maintenance. So yeah, I definitely was loving the bust down middle part. This is how the hair looks in the back. And guys, you already know I'm a side part girly, so I definitely defaulted back to my side part, and now I'm going to be showing you guys just a few more options. Nothing dramatic, nothing fancy, nothing over the top, just pinning off one side, yes, just to take some of the hair out of the face a little bit. And of course, I am about to show you guys some more options because that's what I do. And yeah, this one shoulder cascading look with all of the hair over to one side is also a favorite of mine. Usually when I'm dressing up my styles, I like to do all of the hair on one side. And of course, for your busy days when you just want to get the hair all the way off of your skin, and if it's too hot, whatever the reason, you just don't want to be bothered with the hair being down, then this one claw clip pin-up look is a winner with your two tendrils on the side. Who can talk to you? Because this is still ever so cute but easy to style. And of course, if you know me, you know I'm a half up, half down girly, all the way up and down today, tomorrow, and twice on Sundays. So of course, that's what I am doing. And of course, my styles are only done with one bobby pin. Who can beat that? So this is how it looks. This is also one of my favorites, guys. Look at the hair. Look at how pretty this curl pattern is. I am absolutely in love. Thank you, guys. I do appreciate you, and I will catch you on my next one. Links will be left down below and a discount code. So bye.